We have many problems that we can fight. We have many trials. They come our way, but how often have we gone to our knees in prayer? All we have to do is to cry. Oh, cry, cry, cry. His ear is so near to hear. Oh, cry, cry. His hands not too short for you. So many trials, they come our way. Leave us battered and leave us torn apart, but to the greatest of listeners we will cry, and then your joy and your peace will find. Oh, cry, cry. His ear is so near to hear. Oh, cry, cry, cry. His hands not too short for you. God answers prayer. He will hear your voice. Just call on His name. He'll be right there. Jesus, precious Jesus, call on His name. He'll be right there. Oh, cry. His ear is so near to hear. Come on, brother, cry. He will hear your voice. Oh, yeah. His hands never too short for you. Oh, cry when you feel alone, when your heart is broken. He'll be there for you. Oh, cry. All you gotta do is cry. His hands never too short for you. Whoa, too short for you. Oh, now is the day and the time